Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and safe. As you know that in the previous lecture we have completed connecting the three dots or connecting the dots. 2.3 lesson. Lesson about Steve Jobs. We have completed this lesson on page number 64, and on page number 64 there is last paragraph in the box. I think we have not learned. So what is in that box? Here is list, page number 64. Here is a list of 20 amazing life lessons we can all learn from Steve Jobs. We can learn from Steve Jobs. There are lessons. How many? 20 lessons. Okay. So don't wait. Don't wait for the right opportunity. Work. You should keep it. You should keep the work working. Make your own reality. Control everything you can. Control everything you can. Own your mistakes. Own your mistakes. Then own your mistakes. Know yourself. Leave the door open for the fantastic. Okay. Don't hold back. Don't hold back. थांबू नका, मागे बघू नका असं बोलतात. Surround yourself with brilliance. Okay. So your surrounding will be brilliance. You will be surrounded with brilliant people. You should be surrounded with brilliant people. Build a team of A players. Okay, A grade players, A1 players. Be yourself. Be be persuasive. Okay, be persuasive. Show others the way. Trust your instincts. Take risks. Follow great with great. Then make tough decisions. Presentation can make a world of difference. Find a way to balance your intensity. Live for today. Share your wisdom. So these are 20 lessons that we can learn from Steve Jobs. Okay. So in this way we have completed page number 64. There are some questions as usual beside the lesson. So we will take some examples of questions on page number 62. So see on page number 62 there is a question. What did Steve Jobs do for 2 years after he joined Reed College? What did Steve Jobs do for 2 years? 2 साल तक उसने क्या किया? Okay, so for 2 years he learned. We can say that for 2 years he learned typefaces. Okay, he learned calligraphy. Okay, he learned about serif and sans serif typefaces, about what makes great typography great. For 2 years he learned calligraphy, you can say. Okay, then second question, what hardships did Job face? कौन से हार्डशिप्स को फेस करना पड़ा? सेकंड पैराग्राफ में आंसर है he slept on the floor in friend's room. He returned Coke bottles for the 5-cent deposits, etc. When he had no good food, he had to walk for 7 miles to get good delicious meal on every Sunday. Okay, so you can write these answers. So questions are very easy. So rest of the question you can solve at home. See on page number 65, English workshop, activity first A. Rearrange the incidents in the life of Steve Jobs in chronological order. Chronological order means you have to write first order, first incident, then second incident, third incident. Okay. So Steve Jobs started. Next, Jobs underwent a surgery. Jobs learned about serif and sans serif typefaces. Jobs returned to Apple Inc. Jobs married Lauren. Jobs was diagnosed with cancer. Jobs dropped out of Reed College. So first one, Jobs dropped out of Reed College. G is first one. Second, Jobs learned about serif and sans serif typefaces. This is second one. Third, Jobs returned to Apple Inc. Okay, Job returned to Apple. Job started next. Third, A is third, G first. then C second, A third, okay, then fourth, job returned to Apple, okay. Rest of the sentence you can do at home, okay. Activity B, read the third story again, complete the flow chart given below. You have to complete the flow chart, okay, after reading the story. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, so first one is diagnosed with cancer. Diagnosed with cancer. Second, doctor suggested to go with affairs. Okay, to get his affairs. Doctor advised Jobs to go home and get his affairs in order. Okay. Then third one, Steve Jobs had biopsy. Steve Jobs had biopsy. Third one. Then fourth one, in that biopsy, it was diagnosed to be a very rare form of pancreatic cancer that is curable with surgery. Okay, this is the fourth one. Fifth one, Steve Jobs underwent a surgery. Okay, Steve Jobs faced surgery. Okay, rest of the incidents you can do at home. So activity B is completed. Now activity second, read the lesson, refer to a dictionary and match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Okay, तो ये easy है. A में आपको वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, डिक्शनरी के हेल्प से आप B में उसके मीनिंग फाइंड आउट करके मैच करना है. जैसे कि A, डायग्नोसिस. सो व्हाट इज डायग्नोसिस? डायग्नोसिस इज act of identifying the nature of a problem or illness. Third, so answer of A is third. Three, act of identifying the nature of problem or illness, that is diagnosis. B, devastating. Devastating क्या है? Devastating is devastating, causing great destruction. Fifth, V means fifth, causing great destruction means devastating. C, intuition. Intuition का मीनिंग क्या है? Intuition is power of understanding situations or people's feelings beforehand. Power of understanding situations or people's feeling beforehand, that is intuition. बाकी के तीन जो है वो आप घर पे करेंगे. पेज नंबर 65 activity is completed. Now see on page number 66, activity 3, go through all the 3 stories, identify some qualities of Steve Jobs and complete the web chart. Web chart आपको complete करना है. जैसे कि स्टीव जॉब्स की एक क्यूरियोसिटी आपको दी गई है, क्वालिटी क्यूरियोसिटी है. उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हो willingness to learn, practical approach, inspiring nature. Okay, willing to learn, practical approach, inspiring nature, courageous man. Okay, और courage. Okay, ऐसे और एक्टिविटी और क्वालिटीज आप लिख सकते हो. I will repeat, practical approach, then inspiring nature, inspiring intuition, then courageous man. Okay, then willingness to learn. Okay, rest of the activities you can write. Activity number 4, complete the following table. The 3 stories in the life of Steve Jobs. 3 stories आपको लिखना है. जैसे पहले स्टोरी, the first story is the story of college life, second story is the story of about his job, and third story is about his death. Okay, or about his cancer. So about setbacks means problems, reactions of Steve Jobs, and achievements and benefits. So हर एक स्टेज में या हर एक स्टोरी में उसका अचीवमेंट क्या था, उसे उसका बेनिफिट क्या मिला, एडवांटेज क्या हुआ, तो वो आपको लिखना है. दैट इज लॉन्ग प्रोसेस बट यू कैन राइट. ओके, एक्टिविटी नंबर 5, से हाउ द कैलीग्राफी क्लासेस हेल्प Steve Jobs after 10 years. how calligraphy classes helped Steve Jobs after 10 years. So calligraphy helped Steve Jobs in designing Mac. Okay, in designing Macintosh computer. It helped in designing calligraphy, in designing Macintosh computer. Okay. Second, you can connect dots. You can connect dot means if you have a trust. If you have a trust on the past and on the present and on the future, you can connect dot. You can connect dot. Okay. So if by looking in the past, if you have the ability to connect the incident in the past to the present or future, you can connect dots means you can associate these events. Third, Jobs reacted later on after the shock of being fired from Apple. Job reacted later on because he felt lightness. Okay, when he was fired from Apple company, he felt lightness as a beginner. He feel frustration for some time, but he came out of that frustration because he started as a beginner, and when he started as a beginner, he felt lightness. Okay, he felt no burden. Good, very good. So rest of the activities do at home. Activity 6. Besides those given at the end of the talk by Steve Jobs, pick out other pieces of advice that Jobs gives in his speech. जॉब ने उसके स्पीच में कौन से एडवाइस दिए गए हैं उसे फाइंड आउट करो और लिखना है. यू कैन फाइंड आउट इजीली. ओके. एक्टिविटी नंबर 7. यूज द फॉलोइंग इडियम्स और फ्रेजेस इन द सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन. आपको ये फ्रेजेस दिए गए हैं, आपको अपने सेंटेंस में उसे यूज करना है. ड्रॉप इट. ओके, मींस आई वांट टू ड्रॉप माय एजुकेशन. डोंट डू दैट. यू कैन जस्ट राइट द सेंटेंस, or I want to drop a letter to my uncle. Okay, drop it. Then drop out. Okay, drop out आप लिख सकते हो कि drop out that luggage or drop out that garbage. Stumble on. We should not stumble in our life by difficulties. Okay, look backwards. Okay, so when we look backwards, we can associate the associate the incident in the past with the present. So इस तरह से आपको बाकी के जो phrases है वो आपको own sentence में करने हैं. So as a exercise, as a homework, ये घर पे करो. So page number 66 activities सब complete हो गई. Page number 67. Fill in the gaps choosing the appropriate idioms. आपको fill in the blanks की activity है, easy activity है. Drawn out, hits in the head with a brick, get one's affairs in order, connects the dots, begin to dawn, stay hungry. Okay, so first A. The wealthy landlord made a will dash before he could die. Well, before he could die. So यहाँ आपको आएगा getting his affairs in order before he could die. Getting his affairs in order. Okay, then B. Those who aspire for success should always stay hungry. Stay hungry is the answer. B का आंसर है stay hungry. C. If you connect the dots, you will realize that crime ultimately leads to poverty. Okay, so rest of the sentence do at home. Activity 8A. Name the tense of verbs underlined to include time, past, present or future, and aspect simple, continuous, perfect और perfect continuous. आपको tense का लेक्चर हुआ है तो आपको इजीली पता होगा. जैसे I slept on the floor. Slept is simple past tense. You haven't found it. Which tense? Perfect present tense or present perfect tense. 4. It had made all the difference. Had made. Which tense? Past perfect tense. Okay, बाकी क्या आप घर पे करो. Now B, change the tense as instructed. I got fired. Future perfect में आपको करना है. I got fired. I will have got fired और I shall have got fired. Future perfect tense. Second one and last one. Life hits you in the head. Present perfect continuous. Life has been hitting you in the head. Life has been hitting you in the head. So rest of the activities do at home. We have completed all activities on page number 67. There are no any special activities on page number 67 and 68. Okay, so now we will stop here. Rest of the part we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.